Welcome to Pawpaw's Workshop. Today I want to introduce you this lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner by Prettycare. And I've been using this now for about the last couple of months to be able to test it out so that I can give you a good review on this product. And today, that's exactly what I want to be able to do. Let's get started. A day in the shop with Pawpaw in Pawpaw's Workshop. To support my channel, please go to patreon.com/Pawpaw's Workshop. In today's video, I'm reviewing the cordless lightweight vacuum cleaner by Prettycare. Now with the unboxing this, I decided to go ahead and lay everything out on the table so you can see exactly what's in the kit. And what I want to be able to do now is go ahead and assemble this and we'll test it out. Because of course you're going to have the battery and the charging unit. You also have the extension bar, and you have the brush, and this is that crevice tool. You have the filter. This is the vacuum cleaner portion itself, and you also have a mount to be able to put this onto the wall. And of course you have this part with all the brushes, and we'll flip that over and you can see the other part. So I want to go ahead and get this assembled, and I'm going to go over the features and the benefits of this small, lightweight vacuum cleaner. Now the first thing I want to show you is how these attachments work. Because you can use this as a very small, lightweight, portable unit. And this brush is perfect for being able to get right down into, let's say, the couch or the car seats that you have and be able to clean them. And just by pushing that button, that will come off, and you can put the other tool on. And you just hear the click and you're ready to go. And this is a nice crevice tool to be able to get into those hard to reach places around the sofa cushions or the in the edges of your seat of the car. So I can pull those off, and then the extension one, it will just click into place, and this will also extend out any length that you want. But to be able to assemble this, all we need to do is just slide it in place. It clicks in position. Likewise, the floor sweeper will do the same thing. It just clicks into place, and then you can extend this out any length that you want. So that's very nice. Now the battery that comes with this is a lithium-ion battery. And you can see right here, the volts is a 22.2 volt. Battery capacity is a 2600 milliamp hour battery. Now you can charge this two ways. You can plug this into your wall and be able to charge it. Now if you do it where the battery is separate of the vacuum cleaner itself, there's no indicator lights. But if you choose to, you can go ahead and plug this in and leave this plugged in, and then you'll have the indicator lights right up here to be able to show you when it's fully charged or not. You'll get a blue flashing light that shows that it needs to be charged, and when it's fully charged, you're going to get a solid blue light. Right now, you can see this solid blue light, so it's fully charged. And if this light was flashing, then it's time to be able to charge it again. Now as far as cleaning, you push a button right here and that just drops open and all the debris can fall out. Now the next thing that I want to show you on this vacuum cleaner by Prettycare is you can take this off. So you can release the dust here and empty the canister and then close it back and continue on. But one of the things that I would suggest is periodically go ahead and unlock this, and that just twists and comes off. And then you can pull out the HEPA filter and you can clean this. So this just lifts out. You can wash this in the sink, let it air dry. You do have a backup filter that you can just drop in and lock it in place. And that way you can put it back into position and you can go on with your vacuuming. The nice thing about it is this will just slip right back in, right there, and slip on. You have a little arrow indicator here, exactly how to line it up. These two little dots will line up, then you twist it to lock it. Turn it on here. You also have a high speed and you have the low speed. Well, let's throw some dirt on the floor and test it out on carpet and hardwood flooring. Now you can see I got quite a mess, and I wanted to be able to use this so that you could easily see it in the camera. Now what this is actually baking soda. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and turn the vacuum on. Now I'm going to use the high speed setting to be able to vacuum this up, and let's take a look. You judge for yourself of how it works. Now you can immediately see the clean line with still that baking soda on each side. And then it just a couple more passes and all of it's gone. Then transitioning from the carpet over to the hardwood floor, you can see how it picks up everything and there's really no debris that's left behind. Now I do want to emphasize the fact that this is a lightweight vacuum cleaner that's excellent for small spills to be able to pick up. And once you finish your vacuuming, all your dust and debris is captured there. So it's just over to the trash can, and I'm going to lower this down, pop the lid, and just dump it right out. And then from there, you're ready to vacuum and continue the process. Now I would not recommend this vacuum for an everyday or the whole house vacuuming. I don't think that this is going to be the vacuum for you. But for those light jobs, this works extremely well. Now here we picked up a little bit of dog hair that we had to clean up, and it still did a nice job. Now this rug was actually vacuumed yesterday with the normal vacuum cleaner. And I'm just going to vacuum a section of it, and I want to show you how easily it is to be able to turn and go underneath the coffee table and be able to do that very easily with a lightweight vacuum cleaner is a nice feature to be able to have. And then you can go back to the main areas and continue vacuuming. And then when you're ready to go underneath the couch, you can do the same thing. You can turn right and go underneath and catch anything that you need to underneath that couch. So any dust that happens to collect under there, this vacuum will go ahead and pick it up. My wife loves to be able to use this vacuum on a daily basis, really for two reasons. If I'm tracking in sawdust from the shop, she can easily vacuum it up. And when the grandkids come over and they spill something, this is an easy, convenient vacuum cleaner to be able to grab and pick up whatever they happen to be spilling onto the floor. Now again, as I said, this is not a vacuum cleaner that you're going to use all the time, because if you want to do the heavy-duty cleaning, then it's a good idea just to be able to go ahead and use your full-size vacuum cleaner to be able to do everything. But for those quick jobs that you need just a real fast cleanup, this lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner is a go-to tool. Now back over at the trash can, you can see all the debris that it picked up just from covering that area on that area rug. That's quite a bit considering we vacuumed yesterday. I want to thank Prettycare for giving me the opportunity to review this vacuum cleaner. It was a lot of fun to be able to experience it, test it out, and just see what the capabilities are. Now, as I said in the earlier part of the video, this is a great lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner just for those quick little jobs that you have. It is really not designed to be a vacuum cleaner that will cover the whole house. It's just not going to do that for you. But for those little quick jobs, when I track in the sawdust from the shop, it works great. And it works really good when the grandkids come over and they spill something. This is a vacuum cleaner that we can grab very quickly and vacuum up that spill. Now, I'm going to put some links down in the description below so that you can check out their website and investigate for yourself more in detail on this vacuum cleaner. So I want to thank everybody for watching the video today. And if you liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell notification down below. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video that I do in my shop.